Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the company called Grove Collaborative. Now if you've looked at my previous videos, you've seen that I've already done an unboxing with them, but that actual unboxing was my own products and I paid for all that myself, and that was just me showing you what I got, and I was very pleased with it. But that was months ago. So months ago that happened, and then now they're reaching out to me as an affiliate now, and they sent me my own products from them, and I'm just trying them out for you guys, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here are the products. Right here is a lemon verbena type of multi-surface cleaner. I actually had the basil one of this and it was awesome, and I've used all of it up pretty much. So that was that. And then I've never gotten these before. These are tissues pretty much, but they're made out of bamboo and sugarcane. So I think that's really interesting, and I'm really excited to try that out. And over here, I've had one of these before, the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. I actually still have not used my other one since I was trying to already use what I already had, but I'm really excited to try this as well. And then over here, I'm not keep saying over here, but this is the dish soap, the lemon verbena one, and I still haven't completely used all of my basil one, but I've heard from Love Meg that all of these products are amazing, and I've always been excited to try the lemon verbena. So these are really similar to the actual tissues. They're the paper towels, and they're also of the sugarcane and the bamboo. So if you enjoy videos like this, then let me know. I do plan on having a kind of like my own cleaning routine. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it because I'm still a little camera shy when it comes to this kind of stuff, but definitely stay tuned, and hopefully I'll be showing you something very shortly on how I use these products and what my routine is. I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.